Calculate the moment of couple required to keep a bar magnet of magnetic moment 2 into 10 square ampere meter square in a uniform field of induction 0.36 Tesla at an angle of 30 degrees with the direction of uniform field. Capital M is given. Capital M is equal to 2 into 10 square ampere meter square. B is equal to 0.36 Tesla. Theta is equal to 30. Torque tau is equal to mb sin theta. 2 into 10 square into 0.36 into sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 2 into 10 square into 0.36 into 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Remaining is 10 square into 0.36. Calculation is 36 Newton meter.